A very happy morning to my lovely students. How are you all? I know and I hope that all my students are healthy and safe at home. So students, we work on chapter 6, that is multiples and factors. This video will be our part 3 video. Okay students, we work on chapter 6, that is multiples and factors. हमने multiples डिस्कस कर लिया था. Remember, multiples are the numbers, or I can say multiple is a type of a table. जो table में जाता है, that becomes a multiple of that table. Of factors, you don't know. So today we will be starting with the topic that is factors on page number 62 of your textbook. So students, we will watch a video for the understanding that what is factor. Let's have a look. So students, now we will have a look on that what is factors, and we will try to understand factors क्या होता है. But मैं आपको एक simple सी language में I will use only one statement for a better understanding. For example, I ask you 12. Find the factors of 12. तो आपको ये देखना है कि 12 कौन से टेबल में जाता है. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. ये जो भी नंबर्स मैंने बोले, इन सब नंबर्स के अंदर 12 जाता है. फैक्टर मीन्स किस टेबल में ये नंबर जाता है. ओके, बट वी विल हैव अ डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाइल वाचिंग द वीडियो.
I have 10 colored beads. How can I arrange them in different ways?
1 into 10. 1 row and 10 columns. 2 into 5. 2 rows and 5 columns.
What is the example used here? Example says that the boy has 10 beads. Now he is thinking that how he will arrange the beads. Just right now you saw 1 row, 10 column. That means 1, 10, 1 into 10. Now he says that I can make it 2 rows. 2 into 5 equals to 10. Now he is arranging that 10 beads in different ways.
5 into 2.
5 into 2.
5 rows and 2 columns. 10 into 1. 10 rows and 1 columns.
Example 1. Find the factors of 28. Solution. The possible combinations of 28 are 28 is equal.
Students, you just saw what happened. First, the little boy was supposed to arrange that 10 beads in different ways. So he arranged 1 row, 10 column. 2 into 5, remember 2 rows, 2 columns, 10 rows. So students, in this way he arranged. Arrange करना that means हम factors find कर रहे हैं. मैं उस 10 को किस तरीके से arrange कर सकती हूँ. Now the second example will say that how we will solve the sum. Find the factors of 28. Now in this we are supposed to find the factors of 28. हमें ये देखना है कि 28 किस टेबल में जाता है. Okay? Solution. The possible combinations of 28 are 28 हमेशा just remember 1 will be factor of every one. So you can write 1 into 28, 28. Then 2 14s are 28. 28 2 के टेबल में भी जाता है. 4 7s are 28. 7 4s are 28. ये इसका रिवर्स भी पॉसिबल है. अगर आपको एक आता है तो आप उसका रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं. रिवर्स इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. See, have a look. 1 into 28, 28. 2 into 14, 28. 2 14s are 28. 14 2s are 28. Wait a second. Let me take the pencil so you can have a proper understanding. See. 128 are 28, 21 are 28. Reverse is also possible. आपको एक आ जाता तो आप उसका रिवर्स करके दूसरा फैक्टर भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. In this 2 14s are 28, 14 2s are 28. Okay, you saw how reverse is possible. Now 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28. The reverse is also possible. So students, I can come to know the final statement, that is, thus the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28.
2, 4, 7, 14 and 28.
We shall now use the division method to find the factors. Let us take a number, say 21. We do not divide further as 3 is also a factor of 21.
Students, we shall now use the division method to find the factors. There are different types of method. Now we will have a look on the division method. Let's take the example, say 21. We will see that कि मैं 21 just इस table में डालती हूँ. If the remainder is 0, then that number will be the factor. अगर remainder कुछ बढ़ता है, then that number will not be the factor. See, 21 divided by 1, 21. 21 divided by 2, तो मेरे पास remainder बचा. 2 is a factor? No. 21 divided by 3, 7. 21 divided by 4, 5. Remainder is there. 21 divided by 6, 3. Remainder is there. 21 divided by 7, 3. No remainder is there.
1. The factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and
Students, so thus factors of 21 are, wait a second. Thus factors of 21 are 1, see, 1, 3, 7 this one and 21 itself. Just saw what happened. जिसका remainder 0 है, हमने उस नंबर को as a factor select किया है. Okay students, so now we will have a look upon the facts about factors that are on page number 64. Okay students, let's have a look on the video itself. Okay. The smallest will be 1. Okay. The third point is a factor of a number is always smaller than or equal to the number. For example, यहाँ पर 12 का एग्जाम्पल दिया है, हम जब भी फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे 1 will be the smaller in every case and the number itself, that is in this case 12. 12 will be the factor that will be the greater. Each and every factor will be less than 12 or equal to 12. Okay. The fourth is as division by 0 is not possible, so 0 is not a factor of any number. 0 एक भी नंबर का फैक्टर नहीं होगा. Okay.
An even number can have both odd and even numbers as factors, but an odd number can have only odd numbers as factors. Example: factors of 10 are 1, 2.
And an even number can have both odd and even factors, but an odd number can have only odd factors. कोई भी even number होगा तो उसके factors odd, even दोनों हो सकते हैं. But when it comes to the odd number, that is 13, 7, then all the factors will be odd number only. Okay? It can help you. Now we will discuss the sixth point.
And odd numbers as factors. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Only odd numbers as factors. A number has finite factors. A factor divides the number exactly, leaving no remainder. Example: 4 is a factor of 20. So, when 20 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. Every number other than 1 has at least 2
Students, the sixth point is a number has a finite factors. Finite, multiples होते हैं वो infinite होते हैं, but the factors are finite. That means they are limited. A factor divides the number exactly, leaving no remainder. We know that if there is remainder, then that number will not be a factor. If 0 is the remainder, then it will be factor. The last facts of factors will be every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. हर एक नंबर के पास more than 2 factors होंगे. That means 1 and the given number itself. For example, if I ask you the factor of 12, तो 1 and 12 और उसके बीच में बहुत सारे factors हो सकते हैं. So students, here we complete the discussion of factors as well as facts of factors. Okay. Now let's have a look on the exercise. So students, your worksheet part will be you are supposed to solve the exercise 3 on page number 65 of your textbook. You are supposed to solve question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 as your worksheet. Okay students? And question number 4 we will be starting. You are supposed to solve till here only. Understood? See. Use multiplication to find the factors. We did it. हमने 15 देखा था कौन से टेबल में जाता है. 15 1 into 5 15 equals to 15. 2 में नहीं जाता. 3 5 are 15. 5 3 are 15. Remember? Yes. Division method जिसके अंदर साइड में था रिमाइंडर वाला याद आया? And true or false. So students, here we complete the discussion of exercise 3. Only question number 1, 2 and 3. And in this video we discuss 2 topics. What are factors and facts about factors. Okay. We will be continuing with the methods, common factors and HCF in next video. Till that, bye. Take care. Have fun. Complete your notes and don't forget to send me the Photoshop.